Even if everything seems right, if there's something wrong with the UPC and the ASIN, we as PRs ends up with seeing nothing.
You can message him later.
Welcome to the Amazon Product Researchers Hub, wherein we make simplified video lessons about the process of product sourcing. So we aim in these video lessons to help aspiring product researchers like you to make your journey easier. So we're sharing information based on our personal experience as Amazon product researchers. In our last video lesson, we have introduced to you guys our world as Amazon product researchers, and also we've tackled about FBM and FBA and what are the things that you should take note as an Amazon FBA product researcher. We have also discussed about the different product restrictions that we as product sourcers should take note in sourcing. And if you haven't watched our videos discussing about the different product restrictions, here's the link for that. And as we promised, for the following videos, we're going to discuss about the different tools that we are using in doing PR, and also we will introduce to you the basic terminologies that you should know as an aspiring product researcher. Okay, first up with the basic terminologies in product sourcing, let's talk about the different codes that we will commonly encounter. But before we proceed to our video lesson, guys, if you think that our videos are helpful to you and really inspires you more to become a product researcher, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please hit this notification bell so that you will be informed if we're going to upload new videos in this channel. And now here's Daddy B for his video lesson discussing about the ASIN, UPC, and SKU. Let us not waste more time. Let's start digging.
Kaya naman is ASIN ng UPC. Yung UPC is yun yung Universal Product Code. Unique code yan na binibigay ng company, which is every product mayroon ganun. So kung magsisearch ka ng product gamit yung UPC, mas specific yung lalabas sa search engine mo. ASIN naman, yan naman yung code na ginagamit ni Amazon. So ang ASIN means Amazon Standard Identification Number. So parang UPC lang siya, pero si UPC is Universal Code. Pero yung ASIN is si Amazon code na ginagamit natin para mag-identify ng product sa Amazon. Actually, meron pa tayong isa, yung tinatawag natin na SKU. So, SKU means a stock keeping unit. So, si SKU naman, tayo naman yung mag-provide ng number or magpapangalan ng SKU sa bawat product na ibinibenta natin. For example, meron kang, ito yung first product mo na ibibenta si Amazon. So, para sa akin, nilalagay ko TFP1. So, yan yung first SKU ko para at least ma-identify ko, matitrace ko kung ano yung product na nasa inventory ko. Okay?
Thank you for that, Daddy B. Since for regular persons na encounter nila yung mga codes na ito, they're just under our nose, pero hindi tayo nagtitake note of them. They don't make so much sense to us. But then, as product sourcers, these codes are very important to us, especially for the accuracy of the products or the leads that we're going to submit to our clients at the end of the day. Sabi ko nga kanina, even if everything seems right, if there is something wrong with the UPC and ASIN, we as product sourcer ends up with seeing nothing. Especially with the UPC. As I can remember last year, around November, Amazon is taking down listings that doesn't have UPC. Kasi nga, yung ibang mga sellers, nire-register lang nila yung mga product without the UPC at pinapalitan nila yung brand ng mga generic na mga brand. So yun, yung mga ibang clients ay nagiging strict na, especially in terms of these codes like the UPC. All the listings that we'll be submitting to them should have UPC for the validity of the product. And there's one more code that we usually encounter when we are doing sourcing that is called the EAN or the European Article Number. So this is like also the UPC, but then the difference is UPC is for the United States and Canada products. On the other hand, EAN codes can be seen on any products everywhere else in the world. So basically, the importance of these codes on the seller's part is that mas madali na lang yung pag-track ng kanilang mga products, yung pag-process and pag-store ng mga products. And for our part as product sourcers, this is very important for our accuracy as we find those leads, because definitely the product that are from the source in the Amazon should be identical, really 101% identical to each other. So na-remember namin ni Daddy B last year, may isa kaming client kasi nga nauso yung sa Amazon na merong mga listings na walang UPC. So yun, may isang client nag-order ng product, mabuti na lang test buy lang, tapos nung dumating sa kanya, iba pala yung product from the source and on the Amazon. So yun, hindi na list, hindi niya nabenta sa Amazon kasi there is something on the content of that certain product na wala doon sa product na nakalist sa Amazon. So these codes are very important to validate if the product is the same from the source and on the Amazon that is listed. As for the ASIN, it will help us to know the different details, information about the product that is listed on the Amazon. And in fact, if you have already a client, minsan yung mga clients hindi na sila naglalagay ng link of the product from the Amazon. Ang pinalalagay na lang nila sa sheet natin is the ASIN itself kasi meron namang hyperlink na nagli-lead sa client natin once they click that ASIN into the listing itself on the Amazon. Okay, so that's it for the first video lesson about the basic terminologies that we as product sourcers should take note. The ASIN, UPC, SKU, and EAN. So if you think that our videos are helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please leave a comment down below if you have any question about this video lesson. And if you have a topic in your mind that you wanted us to cover, please comment down below. We would really appreciate that one. And for our next video lesson about these basic terminologies, we will be talking about the buy cost and the sale price. So if you wanted to watch this video, please hit this notification bell so that you will be informed if we have uploaded that video in this channel already. And that's it for this video lesson, guys. We hope that you will really pursue this niche, and we're really excited to see you in the future be a part of the PR community. This is the Amazon Product Researchers Hub, simplifying the PR process one video at a time.